We are Sorted, a group of mates from London exploring the newest and best in the world of food whilst trying to have a few laughs along the way. We've got chefs, we've got normals, and a whole world of stuff for you to explore, but everything we do starts with you.
Hello, I'm Jamie, this is Mike. Welcome to Fridge Cam.
Now, we've been overwhelmed by how many of you are using and loving our new Packs app.
Which is an app that we've built as part of the Sorted Club, which is designed to take all of the decision making out of midweek meals.
Every week, you get a brand new meal pack. Within that meal pack, there are 3 recipes, a shopping list, and a cheeky little audio guide where we take you through each one of those 3 recipes with our own voices.
Put a medium saucepan that you have a lid for over a high heat and pour in 3 tablespoons of oil.
Barry in particular has been using this app quite a lot, so we thought we'd put him to the test and see if we can beat a chef with a mystery box full of ingredients along the midweek meal theme.
Now, if you don't know how this works, we have a normal who's going to go up and try and beat a chef with the same tray of mystery ingredients. And from that tray, they have 30 minutes to create a midweek meal. They can add to it staple ingredients from the cupboard.
They will need to create 2 identical portions, which will then be blind taste tested by this guy.
Another normal.
Another normal, and he will give his judgment, and we will crown a winner. Feeling good, Baz?
Yep, sure.
Feeling confident?
Sure.
Confident?
You are confident?
Yeah,
That's what we like to hear.
It's Barry.
Yeah.
You can lift off the tea towel, have a think, fetch some stuff, and then we'll start your time.
Okay, right. Got a load of spinach, got some bacon.
We've got some white fish.
Some meat, some fish, some fruit, some veg.
How are you feeling about that lot?
It's going to be hard to do a sweet dish, isn't it?
Okay.
I might go simple.
I'm fighting every urge just to do what I do every day.
Which is?
I'd celebrate that fish and I'd serve it with a bit of mashed potato.
I'm thinking mashed potatoes, some bacon through them, lots of milk and butter, basic pan-fried cod, and then maybe we try something different with the leek, fry it off or something like, but whole to elevate it slightly, so it's not just a midweek meal where you chop it up. It looks cool on the plate.
I'm going to do what I always do, but I'm going to seriously spice it up. I'm genuinely nervous.
Okay, mate, you've had a couple of minutes to think. Now it's time to start cooking in 3, 2, 1, begin.
Okay, I'm going to start with my potatoes because they're going to take ages. Ow! Forked myself already. I'm microwaving these. I've put them on for 12 minutes. I don't know how long they'll take.
To start, I'm going to dice up my potato and get them roasting. Why am I just chopping it up? Oh, because I'm against the chef.
Does it matter if you've got the skin on it?
No, it's not a problem. Thanks, Ben. It's not a problem. So my thinking here is I'm going to roast these off to have some kind of like chunky home fries. Mix it with garlic, leek and bacon.
Oh.
And kind of toss that together so it's kind of a...
It's a hash
warm...
without being a hash.
Yeah, it's a deconstructed hash brown.
Deconstructed hash. Put an egg on it. Yummy.
Oh, that came out quickly.
So how long are you going to leave those in, mate?
As long as I can. I want them to be really soft and really crispy. So they'll be in there till the last minute and I'll just mix it in with everything else.
Ooh, I've just had another thought.
So what are you thinking?
I'm thinking, in my experience, making packs, all the best ones were like 3 separate elements that just sat on a plate, worked really well together. Easy, simple, nice. So that's what I'm going for. I'm going for a vegetable, which is leeks, starch, which is potatoes, and some fish. And then the bacon, I'm gonna put on a tray. I'm gonna put it in the oven and then I'll put it through the mash as like a crumb or something, and maybe on top as a crumb as well. It's going in at 200 for 10 or 12 minutes.
I like that formula. It's obvious, but...
The rule of 3.
Yeah, the rule of 3 for midweek.
I'm taking a leek and I'm going to be frying that off with some oil in a pan, get them softening, going a little bit translucent. Then I'm adding in my garlic. Then fairly quickly adding in my diced bacon. Oh, bacon in a different pan would be useful because I want that really crispy. Bacon in a different pan.
For me, I think midweek meals should be stress-free, and therefore if it needs an extra pan to keep control of it, that's fine.
Where are the pressure points for you?
I'm nervous my potatoes are going to be, well, the wrong type of crunchy, raw. I want them to be really crispy on the outside and fluffy in the middle.
I'm doing a sauce. It's going to be a hollandaise. So I'm going to be doing a little bit more than you might usually do midweek, but see what we can do in half an hour. I'm not going to make a proper hollandaise though. I'm not going to make a little reduction or anything.
So how do you make a cheese hollandaise?
Just instead of reducing the vinegar with shallots and bay leaves and peppercorns, you just put vinegar in. Oh, this is going so well. It's getting so thick. I'm looking to be able to make a figure of 8 and it to just hold for a couple of seconds.
You've had 7 minutes, which gives you 23 left. Are you saucing it at all, or is it going to be kind of its own wonderful juices and things?
I think that's where my poached egg will come in useful.
A poached egg. This is the first we've heard of it.
So a poached egg on top of this, I think it will self-sauce. Okay, leeks are wilting down. In goes my garlic.
There's a lot of garlic.
Now, tell you what, my wife adores garlic, so I always overdo the garlic at home.
What he is doing is thinking like 1 or 2 moves ahead, preheating the pan before slicing the bacon, boiling the kettle for the egg long before he needs to poach an egg. So he is thinking ahead.
Why is Beat the Chef Barry so different to Pass It On Barry?
I'm in control. I know how I'm starting and finishing this.
But are you not going to get halfway through this process and then go, do you know what? I'm going to fry a chicken.
So leeks are done. And I'm drying the leeks so that they char better.
Is this for your mash?
Yeah, most of that in there. I'll probably put the rest in there. The leeks are going onto the griddle pan. I am slowly adding butter to the eggs, incorporating it, making sure it doesn't split until it kind of becomes a thick sauce.
He doesn't know.
It's going more butter.
That was a thought that I did not think he would have.
It's like obviously incorporated really well, but it's a little bit loose.
That's done. It's nice and soft. I'm going to stick this in here as well, just to give that that's a hotter pan. So, 1 egg per portion. It's Jamie. Can always do more. Oh.
Yep, displacement. There we go. There we go. You've had 17 minutes,
Okay,
which gives you 13 remaining.
Come on,
Hey
Baz.
there, goods. Give me a shake.
Had you had the same ingredients and the same brief, what would you make?
I think any of the staples could have worked. So you cook off some rice in that time and do like a quick pilau, and you could put some of the fruit through it. I quite like fruit in savoury. So you got the smoky bacon, but maybe some apple and some pear and some broccoli. So you do like a warm rice salad-y kind of thing with a bit of fish. I think the fish is going to take the star here. The smoked bacon becomes the seasoning.
I'm going to flour the fish.
Okay.
Otherwise it'll probably break up, and it's quite thin. They're not like really nice loin pieces.
So what, just by dusting it in flour, it stops it breaking up?
Yeah, it kind of creates a crust. It's just a bit of safety.
Yeah, also a nice vehicle to add some flavouring, some seasoning, some herbs into the flour if you want. And that might not be right for this dish, but it's a good place to go if you wanted a crust. Spicing with flour is super simple.
I still have to do my potatoes and get my fish cooked.
What else can I do to get ahead? Right, salt my water.
You asked for your 10-minute warning.
Now I need to poach an egg and fry my cod. Salt.
How are you feeling internally?
I'm okay. I'm okay with this. I'm starting to panic because time is getting tight. Lemon in pan on steam.
Are they cooked?
They're good, they're hot. Often I would do a skin on mash, but I think this will just be nice as like a really nice, smooth, buttery mash, like tradish. It's looking good. Bacon's looking decent. Can't forget about it, because I will forget about it. Season the mash as much as you can before you start adding stuff, because the more you work it and taste it and add more and work it in, the worse the mash is going to be. And then also add as much liquid as you dare, because again, you don't have to incorporate it multiple times.
6 minutes remaining.
How are you feeling? Confident? You're going to make it?
I am really nervous now. Like 6 minutes.
Yeah.
6 minutes?
6 minutes. Eggs. Gotta do eggs. Ah! Okay, right, don't panic. Calm down. Calm down. Everything's okay, Barry. Everything's okay. So this fish is now done. Oh, please come out. Please come out easily.
How we doing?
Okay, eggs are nearly there.
Mash is done, hollandaise is done. Finishing the hollandaise with a little bit of Tabasco. I might cut that tail bit off if I was being
This
posh,
is the
but-
poshest midweek meal I've ever seen.
But it does also show you what's very possible in 30 minutes.
Yeah.
4 minutes remaining.
Okay, good. Right, so potatoes gonna have to come out now. They're looking crispy. Could be crispier.
This is the crunch point, isn't it? Quite literally. Ooh.
And I'm gonna stick that into my bacon fat.
How long are you going to cook this fish for?
Couple of minutes on each side.
Oh man, that looks good.
Still worried it's gonna break apart because it's so bloody thin.
Okay, yeah. Happy with that. That'll be done.
3 minutes.
Okay. Right, cool.
Talk to us.
Head shake. What was that?
Definitely needs longer. I left the fish cooking too late. Probably could have done with 5 minutes or so to just baste it. And I don't have any herbs in there. What herbs have I got? Ugh.
He just hammered your herb garden.
No, I know what he was looking for, and it's not there, so that's valid. He wanted time.
I did want time. Well, you're running out of it. You got two. No, I'm not even doing that. Where's that bacon gone?
In the mash. The bacon has gone in the mash. Some of the bacon's gone in the mash. Some of it is a crumb. I could even put a little on top if it looks nice.
Last fish is going in. Hobs off, look at me, turning hobs off. Come on.
Come on, mate. Come on, mate. Come on.
So tossing the bacon, potatoes together, leek, garlic, going in.
Yes, come on. You've got this. You've got this. You've got this. Oh, no, you haven't got this. 2 minutes left. 2 minutes left.
What?
2 minutes left.
Loads of time.
Oh crap, right, lemon, in, lid, butter, lid, on.
How long we got? How long we got?
Time for him to drain fish, which is important. It's the little things that matter.
And a bit of lemon.
Time remaining 1 minute 25.
Right,
Is it good?
no, need salt. Bit of chilli.
Come on, mate. You need to start plating right now.
Doing it!
50 seconds.
They've got to be consistent.
He's very much doing the 3 things on a plate. I quite like that angle.
Got a bit of colour on it, which I'm happy with.
Here's his last fish cooked. 20 seconds. He's going egg.
Loads, 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 loads.
8 seconds.
Come on.
5, 4, 3, 2,
Egg. No, he hasn't seasoned one of them.
Oh no! That was,
Happy?
It looks a little bit messy. Maybe I went over the top with the hollandaise.
that was too close.
I was so stressed out.
I was promised 4 plates.
That criteria was ticked, but you can eat them after this.
Great.
I'm actually a little bit worried about this.
I didn't think I would be.
Oh.
Is that a pancake?
Let's never let him judge, ever.
Pan roasted cod.
It's not a pancake.
I'm sorry, that looks like a pancake. Pan roasted cod, bacon mash, charred leeks with hollandaise sauce. That sounds like a menu that I want to eat. Oh, another fishy one. Less pancakey. Well done. Pan fried cod, poached egg with a potato, bacon, leek and garlic hash. They're actually 2 fairly similar sounding midweek meals, which is quite interesting. I'm going to start with the pancake cod. Cheers. Oh, I like that. The richness of that hollandaise is delicious because it coats everything on the plate, but it still allows the flavours of the leek and the cod to come through. Bits of bacon in the mash is a touch, isn't it? I quite like having a whole leek. Like, it feels like it's a real part of the menu rather than having leek. Okay. It's gone. Was there some garlic in this? Wow, that is punchy. In a positive way.
Okay.
It's very tasty. Well, what I would say is the garlic is semi-overpowering. I'm not getting a massive cod flavour from the cod. In comparison to the other plate, every element tasted like I expected it to. Like, it had the full flavour of the potato and the bacon and the mash, the meaty leek and the pancake cod. It tasted like a really nice piece of cod. The flavour of the cod is kind of lost there amongst the garlic. You get a lot of different textures from the hash, with the crunchy leeks and a bit of bacon and the potatoes there, the nice richness of the egg yolk. They're both really good dishes, and I would be very happy to have either of them.
Okay, Jay, sorry to interrupt your eating, but would you mind passing some judgment?
One of them shows I'm trying to get this done in 30 minutes and it's going to come out however it comes out. And one has a lot more thought into it. My winner is this one. Love me a pancake, so.
Does the cook of that dish want to step forward? Well done, James.
Thanks, mate.
Great, let's get in there.
Oh, it is tasty though, this.
I think making a hollandaise would take me 30 minutes, let alone pancakes, mash, and leeks as well.
There's a lot of multitasking going on there. Good job all round. Good egg.
Well done, boys.
Good egg.
Very good. Congratulations, well done, James.
Sorry, mate, I thought the normals might have needed a win.
No, it's a tough ask.
It is.
The normals might have needed a win.
If you like these Beat the Chef challenges, then give the video a like and we'll know to make more.
And if you like the sound of packs, join thousands of other people by joining the club and downloading the app now. I wasn't feeling so great the other day, so I went to the doctor's and he said, stop eating anything fatty. I went, what, like bacon and burgers? He went, no, fatty, stop eating. Have a great week, see you soon.
Yeah.
As we mentioned, we don't just make top quality YouTube videos. No. We've built the Sorted Club, where we use the best things we've learned to create stuff that's hopefully interesting and useful to other food lovers. Check it out if you're interested. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in a few days.
Get me some spuds. Just get me some spuds. Thank you. In my head, I thought, right, play this cool.